StudyX is an all-in-one homework platform that provides students with personalized guidance and assistance with their assignments. It includes exclusive editing tools, millions of related Q&As from the community, and 24/7 subject expert support, AI-powered answers, synced homework space, and an integrated chatbot that's supported with GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. StudyX breaks down complex questions into clear step-by-step solutions and encourages students to think critically and learn from the process. It also supports maths and chemistry formula editing, image recognition, and exports to neatly formatted documents, which is pretty useful. So if this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So for any students out there, this may be quite a useful tool. I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm going to give it a sample question. So I've just clicked on one of the example questions that it gives you. And the question we've got here is: a bag contains 3 red balls, 5 blue balls, and 2 green balls. What is the probability of drawing a blue ball? Okay, now this is very simple stuff, right? It's nothing terribly complex. We've got this super AI toggle here, which apparently will automatically select the best advanced model and get you the answer. So we're gonna get the answer to this question now. Okay, cool. So we can see here on the right, we've got similar questions and we've got the key concepts. We've got the answer listed here and it's giving us the ideas for solving the problem. We've also got the calculation steps here. Step 1, count the number of blue balls, count the total number of balls, and then count the probability of drawing a blue ball. And then calculate the probability of drawing a blue ball. So this is a very simple example. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask it to explain the quadratic formula and its use cases in real life. Click get answer. Let's see what we get here. So this is a slightly more complex question than basic probability. Okay, cool. So we get the core answer here, reasonings and explanations. I'm not going to dive into it, but it also gives us here the real world applications we asked for, like in physics, engineering, economics, computer graphics, and lastly, a nice summary. We've also got similar questions listed here. And I would say this is quite a robust sort of answer. Also makes it very easy to understand these sort of questions and concepts. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.